Introducing AQPRO SCALPERX, a next-generation trading indicator designed for precision scalping and breakout strategies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, SCALPERX offers a comprehensive suite of tools to enhance your trading decisions. SCALPERX is a multifunctional indicator that combines advanced breakout detection, multi-time frame analysis, and real-time risk management. It's engineered to identify high-quality trading opportunities by analyzing price action across various timeframes. Let's delve into the core features of SCALPERX. Breakout signals. SCALPERX identifies significant price breakouts by analyzing recent price ranges, ensuring that only strong and validated breakouts are signaled. Risk visualization. The indicator automatically plots take profit and stop loss levels based on customizable risk-to-reward ratios, providing clear visual cues for trade management. Maximum profit tracking. SCALPERX tracks the maximum potential profit of each trade, offering insights into market momentum and the effectiveness of signals. Multi-time frame dashboard. Monitor trading signals across 4 customizable timeframes, allowing for a comprehensive view of market trends and aiding in strategic decision-making. Support and resistance zones. Dynamic zones are calculated based on pivot points, helping traders identify key price levels for potential entries and exits. Customizable alerts. Stay informed with real-time alerts for buy and sell signals, ensuring you never miss a trading opportunity. Seek precise entry and exit points based on breakout analysis. Require a comprehensive tool that combines multiple trading utilities into one indicator. Value real-time risk management and multi-time frame market insights. Elevate your trading strategy with AQPRO SCALPERX. Experience a powerful all-in-one indicator designed to provide clarity, precision, and confidence in your trading decisions. Join Ultima Trader today and learn more and integrate SCALPERX into your trading toolkit today. SCALPERX indicator now available by our Ultima membership package. You can get it today by special price. Just use our promo code START30 in the checkbox section and get 30% off only today. Also, in Ultima tariff plan, you'll get 6 another indicators for successful trading.